Hey guys, it's Larry, and today we are doing a plan with me for the week of February 26th through March 4th. This is in my classic Happy Planner Glam Girl. I know I did one quick one in my large Happy Planner, but I wanted to show you this because it's just so cute. This is a whole layout by Victoria Thatcher for San Francisco. She's doing a vacation series, and I'll have a link for her below, but this is perfect because this coming weekend is PlannerCon 2018. If you are not familiar, this is like one of the largest events for planners, and it's right here in Northern California where I happen to live, so I am thrilled to be going for the first time ever. It starts Friday night. There's kind of a meet and greet, and then it will be all day Saturday and all day Sunday, March 3rd and 4th, and it's in San Francisco. So what better stickers to use this week for my planner than San Francisco, one of my favorite places ever. Love going there. And I did pull out some washi that I might use. Haven't used washi much lately. I kind of based it on the colors of the sunset here and the Fisherman's Wharf blue background. So we'll see. I'm not quite committed yet. All right? So I'm going to get started, and thank you so much for being here. If you are a subscriber, thank you for your support. We're almost at 100 subscribers, which means huge giveaway coming up still any day now. And if you're not yet a subscriber, what are you waiting for? Give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. Ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss any fun videos. We do a lot of different stuff on this channel. So far, the most consistent is planning, because I do that every week. I'll put up a video on Fridays for the week to come. And let's have some fun. Get your planner, get a drink, get your chair, get comfortable, and let's have some fun planning the week ahead. So this is it, February 26th through March 4th. Believe it or not, February does not have a 29th or a 30th, which I started to do. You might have seen in my little errors there, or if there was enough, maybe I'll put some bloopers in. But yeah, I just kept on going with the numbers. But this is it. I think it turned out really cute. I did something different with my washi this time, which was really fun. I created this PlannerCon sticker, added in It's Party Time. Love this mani-pedi sticker. It's got the little holographic on it. So I think we're ready for a really fun week. If anyone else is going to PlannerCon, please leave a comment below. I'd love to meet you. I will be there for the whole weekend. And I hope you like the layout. Again, it's Victoria Thatcher. There'll be a link below. And I will also be showing you in just a moment a sneak peek of what I will be bringing to PlannerCon. Apparently, this is my very first event. And apparently what people do is they bring gifts for trading. So I'm going to show you a sneak peek here in just a moment. But this is my final layout. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for being here with me. And again, if for any reason you happen to be going to PlannerCon this weekend, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below so I can meet up with you. I'd love to meet you in person. I will talk to you soon and see you in the next video. Be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. Thanks, guys.